Alright, one essential aspect to blogging is commenting. And commenting can get a little overbearing when grading if you don't have a good system to do so with it. So first of all, let's start off from our lesson page and click on the folder, public blog folder. And you're going to see that there are a few activities in here that actually teach what a good comment is. Now this is good to go over with students at the beginning of comment writing so that they know what to expect and how to write a good comment. So I'll open up the rubric file of this activity, and you're going to notice that it has a little activity at the beginning and then a rubric down at the bottom. Now the students fill this in more or less with their activity, but they fill it in by going to this link here, which is a video of first graders explaining blogs, and then they fill in the explanation of the first graders in this video. Then the teacher has given more detail, and they can follow up with that. Now, you can make a copy with this if you so choose, and you can make as many copies as you'd like. Then go back to our main page here and click on blog commenting. Now, once they know how to comment, or they have a general idea of the correct etiquette of commenting, now we can begin to comment on each other's blogs. Now we need a place to collect these comments, and we use links to do this. So you can see that this template here is a Google spreadsheet, and what I want you to go ahead and do is to make a copy of this and make it your own. Once you've made it your own, and once a student makes it their own, they put their name on it, and they have their name on it, and at this point, once they have their name on it, they will be able to edit, obviously, because it's a new file. They own it. They can put their comments URLs on this spreadsheet now. And before they start putting those comments on, they'll want to share it with their teacher so that the teacher can easily access any comments they made. So once they make a comment, they add the URL, their part is done, and now the teacher can check on the comments that are being made. So the student shares the comment sheet, or the comment record sheet, with the teacher. And once they have this shared with the teacher, they're ready to go ahead and go find blog posts and comment on them. So they'll want to navigate to their ClassNet vibes. So here at the ClassNet vibes, they'd have a number of different blogs to choose from, and they can go ahead and choose on the blog post that they want to comment on, or what intrigues them. They read it. If they like it, they can post on it. Now, they'll want to obviously post with the guidelines and that they learned from the activity that I showed you. But at this point, they just go ahead and publish, make sure they're logged into their Google account. They type in the code, make sure the code's right. It's right. Now, once they see the comment and it's published, they can copy the URL, and that URL take anybody with that link to the comment that was made. So they copy that, and then they paste it right in the comment URL field or column here. And now the teacher can just go down. Obviously, they'd make 3 comments. The teacher can select one of those 3 comments and grade it based on the rubric there and the comment score. Now, obviously, they need to fill in the blog post title, in this case, reflecting through adolescence. And then, obviously, put the post author. If they're dealing with classroom or classmates, they'll probably have a post author. If it's outside of the school, out on the World Wide Web, out on the net, they may not have the name. So they've collected their session of commenting. They finished writing, now they go comment, and then they can go ahead and set up for the next time they comment. To do this, it's very easy. There's no new files making. There's no new sharing to deal with. All they need to do is create or duplicate a new tab at the bottom there, just like the other ones, and then delete the information that resides in that copied tab. And they can also rename it, obviously, first. So maybe this is blog 3. Once they have the rename, they'll delete the information and set themselves up for the next time that they blog and the next time they have comments on those blogs. Now, you'll notice that at the bottom there, they'll start having tabs throughout the year. It's sort of like a portfolio they're commenting. They can go along the side here and click on different tabs, or they can click the list feature and just select the tab that they want. And that is commenting.